Hello, good morning, students. Today's topic is IoT Communication Models. Topic number is 1.4. Before discussing communication models, we have been getting the word cloud or server. First of all, we should have an idea what is cloud. I went to the America, there I visited data center. In the data center, I saw cloud management, all hardware and software devices. I've opened it. I understood that a server or cloud is essentially a powerful computer. It is usually contains CPU and GPUs, memory that is RAM, storage, and networking hardware. This is the cloud. The cloud is simply many such servers connected together in large data centers. What is inside a cloud server? We will have idea. Number one, CPU. Full form is Central Processing Unit. That is, you can think that our brain, CPU is our brain. What our brain will do? It executes program instructions and controls all operations. Okay, coming to the GPU. GPU full form ఏంటి? Graphics Processing Unit. This is AI expert, artificial intelligence expert. What it will do? It performs thousands of calculations simultaneously. That is the specialty of GPU, graphics processing unit. Next part, RAM, memory, short term memory. This one. What for? It stores data temporarily while programs are running. That you should remember. Next, storage, SSD or HDD. That is meant for long term memory. What for this long term memory? Stores sensor readings, videos, logs, and databases. My dear students, one more point I want to cover it. Network interface, that is important, which connects the server to the internet. That means it receives data from IoT devices and sends commands back. సింపుల్ అనాలజీ చాలా తమాషగా ఉంటుంది. నేను టీచ్ చేయబోయే అనాలజీ. ఓకే, ఇమాజిన్ ఏ హాస్పిటల్. CPU can be called as general doctor. General doctor handles most patients. నెక్స్ట్ GPU గురించి చెప్తున్నాను. GPU is the specialist doctor, handles complex and AI image analysis can be done by GPU. Next, RAM. RAM can be compared with the nurse's working table, temporary workspace. Next, storage. Storage can be explained like this: medical records room, permanent storage. Last one, network. It can be explained like this: telephone and internet connecting all departments. These are the basics everybody should have, every engineer should have, not only students, not only MTech students, and completed job holders also. Now, coming to the topic, basic communication models will learn one by one. What is IoT communication model? What it explains? It explains how IoT device sending and receiving and sharing data with other devices and also gateways and through servers also or cloud platforms. Next, device to device model. One more model. Two IoT devices, TWO2. Two IoT devices communicate directly without using cloud. Example, smart bulb controlled by smart switch using Bluetooth. that that can be explained here. Third model is device to cloud. Here cloud you are using in this model. An IoT device sends data directly to cloud server through the internet. What example can be explained here? A smartwatch sending your health data to fitness app cloud. But what a example? Fourth model is device to gateway model. In general, IoT device first send data to gateway and then gateway sends it to cloud. Example, home sensor sending data to Wi-Fi router that we should understand here. One more model is back-end data sharing model. Back-end data sharing model. Data collected in one cloud system is shared with other applications or services. Do you want example? A smart electricity meter data shared with electricity billing system. Is it a good example? Yes. Simple analogy I want to explain here. IoT communication is like students sending information directly to the friend or teacher. Like that, we can give analogy. Next, according to our topic, we have to discuss communication flow as well as importance. In this, one by one, some points we will discuss. Data collection. What is data collection? Sensors will collect data such as temperature or moving things motion, etc. Next, parameter data transmission. Collected data is sent using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or some protocols like MQTT, HTTP, what I explained in the previous topic. Next, next one is data processing. The receiver or gateway or cloud will analyze the data after collecting and decides what action is needed. That is called data processing. Next parameter is control action. Commands are sent back to the actuators. What for? To perform actions. Example, fan will be turned on automatically whenever room temperature increases. That is the control action. Real-time communication, we will discuss here. Some IoT systems need fast communication. That means what? Smart traffic signals and health monitoring devices can be given here. Last point is I want to summarize regarding of communication models. These communication models will help design IoT systems based on number one, distance, number two, speed, number three, power consumption, number four, cost, number five, security, and application needs. All these things should be considered, my dear little technocrats. Bye.